Okay, so I'm going to introduce you my project. So first of all, anyone knows about dual culture? I don't know if you know about, you are familiar with this concept, dual culture, double culture? No? Yes, okay. So according to me, it's the ability to see the world through different prisms. And I'm especially lucky because I have had this ability to develop this capability since I'm a child, because I'm French, but at the same time I'm a part of the Cameroonian diaspora. And so also as a French student, French entrepreneur, I'm aware that I live, for example, in a country which is quite easy to find information regarding entrepreneurship, where you can easily connect with people, where, yes, thanks to internet access, you can have a quick and simple overview of the French ecosystem in France. But also, as a Cameroonian diaspora child, I also know that there is a lot of people who have the same energy, the same will to do project, but because of internet access or just these kind of things, they can't have enough information regarding their entrepreneurial ecosystem around them. And so that's why I decided to develop Nelene, which will be a collaborative platform. And so the main idea is to have a quick overview of the African ecosystem, entrepreneurial ecosystem, and to help these people to have information regarding the ecosystem, and also to have a better visibility regarding all the actors around them. And the idea is that it's going to be a collaborative platform, and so that you have the ability to add missing organizations if you want to, if you think that there is missing ones, and you have also the possibility to help organizations like startup who's looking for help regarding recruitment, or just by doing voluntary stuff. And so that's time for demo. Yes, okay, so here you have the platform with all the organization. Yes, we have some, no, but it's okay. So you have all the organizations, so you can, for the rocket is for the tech actor, and regarding the leaf, it's for the social business actor. So you have incubators, startup and investment funds. You can also have a look on the country where it is in Africa. And so if you want to have more information, you have a page where you see the activity of the organization, and you also have a look on their need, if it's more regarding recruitment or location, and also seed funding. And if you want, you can also, if you want to contribute like a volunteer, you can click here, and you have the contact to send a message to the organization. And the idea was also to have a really simple and visible overview of what's happening around you. And so that's why there is a map where you can find, so you can see all the organization and where it is in the country. So just for being clear, in Africa there's a lot happening. It's just that for the demo, I had just to make like example, but there is really a lot happening there. And so yes, if you look just for a country, I don't know, for example, here is South Africa. You have here South Africa, and you have the organization. And so yes, you can also add organization. So yes, you have to fill so the name, the description, contact, the needs, and everything. And so yes, it's going to be added on the main page, which is this one. And so I think, yes, that's it. Yes, I've used as the main technology Mongo for the database, Vue.js regarding the client interface, and Node, which is the link between both, so the server. Trello, I don't know if you know about Trello, but it's a tool which saved me really, because I'm used to be really focused on graphic and design, and thanks to these tools, I have been able to manage backend, which is not the part I prefer, but so it was really helpful in this for this project. And yes, so the next step for the project is to create profile page for contributors, to do a more customized app, to also create talent profiles, because like developers or other person who could help this African entrepreneurial ecosystem, and to also do messaging features. And so yes, of course, I'd want to thank all the Ironhack team, because yes, it was 2 great months, quite hard, but we succeed. And yes, I want to thank all the team and every people in Ironhack, but also my fellows, my family, my friends, who are here to help me. So thanks a lot. Questions? Yes, sorry.
Question time. Do you have any questions concerning this project?
Do you know Angelist?
Yes.
It's like Angelist for Africa?
It's more regarding profitable organization.
Yeah.
Yes, for this part, it's not. It's more also point. It's more simpler. It's simpler, and you can have quite a quick overview of what's happening. And also regarding social business, because it's more about profitable businesses there, and yeah. But yes, it's a kind of. But I know. And Angelis is not to speak to Africa. I want something which was more, and which could also help diaspora, who has project for Africa, but in another country. But so yes.
In your Trello, there was a column called Icebox.
Yes.
I know what a backlog is, but what is an Icebox?
So that's my mentor. Yes, he heard me what was Icebox and how useful it could be. It's for the other idea you have. So the idea you don't have time to develop during the project, during the 2 weeks. And so if you want to go further after, you can still working on these ideas. So
but
yes.
The backlog is the one you decided to call in the future, right? Or
Icebox is what you want to develop in the future. Backlog, it's more about what you're going to test and what's not finished, but you're already working on it.
okay.
And Icebox, you didn't work on it, but it's an idea you want to develop.
Okay.
You didn't begin yet, but you're going to make it after or later, if you have time. Because yes, time is always a big challenge, a big issue.
And the name, it's Helene?
Yes, Nelene, and it means knowledge in Majumba, which is my local second mother language. So Nelene, yes.
Same question actually. What about the code? Are you happy with it?
I'm happy with the code of the project.
Are you happy with the code you wrote?
Oh yes, with the code, yes. I'm really happy to have. I know that some of you have read my articles I've made on Medium, and which was I've explained all the steps through all the weeks. And yes, I'm really happy. I'm really happy with this project, because thanks to code, as an entrepreneur, I can now develop my own project, and it empower my will to liberty and my will to be independent. So it makes me stronger as an entrepreneur. And so that's great. Yes. I don't know if it answered the question, but
That's fine for me.
okay, perfect.
Yeah.